and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we in all we do, in work or play. God. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so high, you can't get over it. So deep. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. That every problem has a solution. I am Mohit Vardhan, studying in grade 1. I feel proud to welcome beloved Principal Dr. P. Sarulakshmi ma'am, respected management, dear teachers and my lovely students for this wonderful morning assembly on National Mathematics Day. It's the time to know the importance of mathematics day. For that I would like to call Adya Reddy. First, the importance of the day, National Mathematics Day, is observed every year on 22nd December. In India, since 2012, to commemorate the birthday of Srinivas Ramanujan, he has greatly contributed towards mathematical analysis, numbers, theory, fractions, etc. At the age of 12, he discovered has his own thermos. He complied 3,900 results at the age of 32 on identities and equations. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Now I would like to call Vedant Reddy for Thought for the day. Thought for the day. Without mathematics, there is nothing. You can do everything around you. Is mathematics, numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Mridula, come. Mridula, come this side. Hi, hold us still.
Good morning everyone. Thank you.
Over.
Have you seen?
Over. Here.
Have you seen?
Have you heard about?
Have you? Good morning.
Wait. Remove your mask. Remove mask. Say loud.
Good morning everyone.
Enough. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Go.
Thank you.
Speak loudly, Zain.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Zain Khan. I am studying grade 1. Mental math is group of skills that allow people to do math in their head without using pencil and paper or a calculator. Mental math is useful in school and in everyday life. Mental math can help kids understand math concepts better and get to the answer faster.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice, wonderful day. It is the right time to. Now I would like to call Isha for Bright or Bright. Isha. Today's quiz questions. Number 1. When was Srinivas Ramanujan born?
Repeat the answer.
22nd December. Number 2. Where was Ramanujan born? Answer is Sri Padambodur. answer. 2. Have a happy, nice
Hey.
mathematics day. Isha, it's the right time to convey my hearty thanks everyone for witnessing this wonderful assembly.